Now is the time to get some more practice on your own, if you feel comfortable doing so. This time with links. If we go to the browser, we have this product image linking to the product detail page, which we created. What I would like you to do in this video is also turn the product title of Game Controller into a link to, which links to the same product detail page. Also, if we look at the finished version, I'd like you to go ahead and create the more info and add to cart links. Remember, we only have this one product so far, so just adding these under the one product is fine. So all you need to do is add these two links using the A element, which we just covered, with some text in between the opening and closing tag. Although these texts look like buttons, it's all just a case of adding some CSS, which we'll do later. So all I'm expecting is some simple text, which is a link when clicked on. The more info button can also link to the same product detail page, just like we did for the image and also the title. However, you can leave an empty href attribute for this add to cart button, as we don't have any pages to link to at the moment. So go ahead and give this a go, or if you're still a little unsure, I will go ahead and do this now. So let's go back over to Visual Studio Code and start with the product title. So let's locate our product, which is just here under all items. So let's begin with the product title of Game Controller. Let's copy or cut this out of place, and then we can add our anchor tags. Then in between opening and closing tag, we can paste in the title of Game Controller. Then go ahead and add the href attribute inside the opening tag, and this is going to link to the product-detail.html page. Next up, we can add the two links for more info and add to cart, and I'm going to do this just after the description here. So let's make some space and add the first A tag, and this is going to be with the text of more info. This is also linking to the same product detail page, so we can also add the href attribute. So add product-detail.html. Then our second link just below, and this is for add to cart. We can also add the href attribute, but like we mentioned before, this is just going to be an empty string for now, as we don't have any HTML pages to link to. So give that a save. Over to the browser. First, let's click on the Game Controller, and this takes us to the product detail page. Scrolling down, we have more info, which also takes us to the same product detail page, and add to cart, which still keeps us on the index.html page. So that's it now for the challenge. I hope you managed it, and I will see you next, where we'll take a look at semantic elements.